Hey guys, it's Matt with MyDesigns here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to translate language in bulk for print on demand and digital assets. So let's get started. We're on the dashboard page of the MyDesigns website. The first thing that we're going to do is navigate to the top left corner here under the menu and click on the Listings tab. So I have this camping collection already pre-set up with some data that I put in just so that I could save time here in showing you guys. The first thing that we want to do is make sure that we have all of these designs inside of this collection selected. We can do that by just clicking this box here and then clicking select all. As you can see, 10 out of 10 designs inside of this collection are selected. Next thing we want to do is create some new data slots so that we can convert this all over to German and Spanish. So as you can see, we have a default data slot here where my mouse is set up. We're going to want to go to the edit template here in the top right corner, and we can add extra data slots by clicking this plus button here. So we're just going to add 2 of them, and this will add it to the entire template, which means the entire collection. So first we'll go German here, and then we'll go Spanish here. And now that that's done, we can just click Save Changes and update the template. Next, we're going to want to convert the language. So we can do that by going up to More Actions, Translate, and then the English, this is saying we're converting from English to German. So English is what we already have all of these fields set up as. So next we're going to select the fields that we want to translate. As you can see here, we're going to pull our default title, and we're going to put it in the German title, and that will translate from English to German. We're going to need to do more than just that one, so we can add extra pairs here, which will add more fields that we can do. So we want to do all 3 fields that we have set up all at once. So next we'll pull the default description to German description and default tags to German tags. So now that we have that all mapped, as you can see I put default there, so we have it mapped proper now, default to German on all 3, so we can click translate and then confirm. Now under active jobs here, you can see there's 10 designs in queue. It works really quick with translating, so just like that, they're already done. So if we go up to this German file slot here now, or data set, and click German, you can see that it's translated this default English to German. And if we go down on all these other designs and click German, you can see that it did it on every one of them inside of this collection. So with the click of a button, we've translated 10 designs from English to German. So next I'll just show another example, and we'll do it again. We'll go to translate. This time we're going to go English to Spanish. So we'll find Spanish here, click it, and then we'll add 2 more pairs as we've got 3 fields we want to convert once again. So we'll pull from the default title, and this time we'll select Spanish title, default description, Spanish description, and so on. And now that we've got that all mapped out, we'll make sure that it's all correct, and we'll click translate and confirm. So it's working again under active jobs. Once it's done, I'll pull it up, make sure everything's correct. So just like that, now we've translated 10 designs to Spanish. So, you know, in a matter of 1 minute or even less, we've translated 10 designs to German and to Spanish. So we've got a total of 30 different listings that we could put on print-on-demand websites. So the last thing I'd like to show you guys here is that you can actually download all of this data as well. I know a lot of people work in Excel spreadsheets if you don't want to use the MyDesigns platform for all of that as well. You can go to export at the top here, and we can export it as an XLSX spreadsheet. So we'll click confirm. It says you're about to export 10 designs, and we do want all 10. And now that that's downloaded, I'll open it on my local computer so you guys can see here. Default description, you can see there, and then if we scroll over, we've got all of this data mapped out perfectly in this Excel spreadsheet. So that should do it for this video on how to translate language in bulk. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future MyDesigns tutorials and content.